पिछले संडे लवासा में हुई Women's Rally, which was a celebration of Women's Day, and a lot of women cheerfully drove all the way to Lavasa from Mumbai and Pune. The rally was to support various causes like cancer prevention through early detection. The rally started from Bandra Reclamation Ground, and all the participants had a ball while driving all the way to Lavasa. और लवासा पहुंचने के बाद का नजारा था बिल्कुल वाव। चाट स्टॉल्स, spa center and shopping, all this added to the fun. But rally का हाई पॉइंट था विवेक ओबरॉय का वहाँ आना। जैसे ही विवेक वहाँ पहुँचे, the crowd went mad, shouting and cheering. And equally excited Vivek ने की हमसे खास बात.
It's amazing. It's I mean, I'd heard about it, but you have to see it to believe it, and it's fantastic that a place like Lavasa is coming together.
Vivek also told us why he came all the way to the event.
They asked me to be here, and I decided to come because, like I said, I think it's a beautiful celebration of women, and I think that every man is who he is because of the women who make him. Every child, every woman, every man that has cancer that you meet always says the first thing that I never thought it would happen to me. So it's important to be aware, and I think it's one of those social evils that if we all get together, we can really make a change. We can make such a big difference. And I think Women's Cancer Initiative is doing a fantastic job, and this rally is putting women in the driver's seat.
लवासा की ब्यूटीफुल वादियों से जितने स्मिटन विवेक नजर आए, उतने ही स्मिटन थे बाकी सेलेब्स such as Nohid Sairisi, Shibani Kashyap, Mini Mathur and Maria Goretti.
I think just the cause, the fact that it is spreading awareness for breast cancer, and I think that ideally hits home for me. So not breast cancer but cancer, so that's exactly why I'm here.
Well, it's been great. First of all, I mean, we're just too happy to be part of a cause that's for women, by women, of women, created by women. It's just a wonderful feeling to know that everyone's together for a cause that affects them.
The rally was quite a successful one, and women seemed to enjoy every bit of it.